So how to buy Dogecoin online with Binance? Open your Binance apps, and if you are using the light mode, just make it as Pro. And now if you already have dollar, then okay, and if you don't have dollar, then press on add funds and delete crypto, buy with USD. Then you can recharge with credit card. If you don't have Binance account, you can check my video description. I will keep the link below. Now second step is, if you press on the balance, then you can see it's in overview. To buy anything, you have to transfer your dollar to funding to spot. So to transfer it, go to funding, press on transfer. Now suppose I want to transfer funding to spot for $600, and my current balance is 814. So I have to transfer the $700. Press on confirm transfer. It's done. Now my funding is 114, and in my spot I have $700. Now to buy anything, go to market and search the Dogecoin or any coin. Suppose I want to buy Doge. This is Doge USDT. Now you can check the current market. You can customize with 4 hour, 1 day or more as well. Now if you want to buy Dogecoin, press on buy. Now let's see the limit market. If you choose the market, then it's instantly buy, and you can choose the limit price as well. The price is 0.4 on 0.48 current, and once this price is available here, your Dogecoin will be buy. Suppose I want to buy for $800, I need for $10. So now let's press on buy. Yeah, order is created. So this is your order, and if you go back and if you press on your balance, then if you go the spot, then you can see your balance. So your Dogecoin 999, and its cost 409.9. it's a little bit cost. So now if you want to sell, then press on Dogecoin again, press on there, select sell. Now enter your full amount and select market for instant buy, and if you press on sell, your Dogecoin will be sell, and it will be add to your main balance. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.